A team shows up at the World Cup with one job for their jersey, look different from the other team. That's it. And somehow this is one of the most controlled, pre-approved, paperwork-heavy decisions in the entire tournament. You think the team picks what it wears, it doesn't. FIFA does, months in advance, down to the goalkeeper's socks. There's a secret rule book for the shirt on your back. Here's exactly how it works. Every team has to hand FIFA at least 2 kits, one predominantly dark, one predominantly light, shirt, shorts, socks, all declared. The goalkeeper gets stricter treatment, at least 3 colors, and they have to clash with each other and with everything the outfield players are wearing. Because the keeper has to stand out from his own team, the other team, and the referee, all at once. This isn't new. The idea of putting the goalkeeper in a different shirt goes back to 1909. Now, the part nobody tells you, you don't just print a jersey and turn up, you fill in an online color form by a deadline. Then you mail FIFA physical samples to every kit, every cap, every wristband, every headband. FIFA inspects them and writes a report that approves or rejects each item. If it gets rejected, you fix it and send it back. And when you finally land in the host country, they check everything again at the team arrival meeting. So who decides who wears what on match day? Not the captain, not the coach. FIFA tells each team which colors to wear for every group game, no later than 1 month before the tournament even starts. Here's the elegant bit. When 2 kits might clash, FIFA runs a fixed order of priority. Team A's kit comes first, then Team B's, then Team A's keeper, then Team B's keeper. The referee comes dead last. If that still doesn't give a clean contrast, they run the whole list backward until it does. And if there's still no clean look, a team can be ordered to mix kits or play fully in its alternative colors, whether it's the home side or not. They even weigh dark versus light contrast so colorblind viewers can follow the game. The final word belongs to the FIFA match director at a meeting before kickoff. The shirt feels like identity, tradition, the thing fans paint on their faces. But to FIFA, it's a contrast problem to be solved on a spreadsheet. 2 colors, 3 for the keeper, samples in the mail, approval in writing, and an assignment posted a month early. Tradition negotiates, visibility wins. The game has not changed. You have. You're welcome. Subscribe if you enjoyed this type of content. It means a lot.